Hey everyone, it's Rob. Welcome back. Today, we're going to take a look at the Quadcast S with RGB lighting from HyperX. This is a standalone USB microphone. Let's get this unwrapped. Here we have the HyperX Quadcast S standalone USB microphone. On the front of the box, it lists it as customizable RGB lighting, anti-vibration shock mount with tap to mute sensor. It's compatible with the PC, PS4, and I would assume also PS5, and Mac. On the top of the box, there's HyperX documentation. They have you covered. Congratulations on joining the HyperX family with the HyperX family hashtag. There we have the instruction booklet. Here we can see that it does have the built-in shock absorber. Also doubles as a fun little bouncy toy. Here we have USB-C to USB-A, braided cable. And here we have a mount in case you want to put this on a boom arm. All right, let's get this set up and hear how it sounds. On the top of the microphone, there's a tap to mute sensor. On the front, there's a dial that has 4 polar patterns, a mic mount adapter and internal pop filter. There's a gain control and adjustment, and the RGB customization is available via NGENUITY. What you're hearing now is me talking into this lavalier mic on my Canon M50. And what you're hearing now is coming from the HyperX Quadcast S mic. And what you're hearing now is me being picked up by this Blue Snowball mic. And what you're hearing now is me being picked up by the mic on these Astro A50s. In order to adjust the RGB lighting on your HyperX Quadcast microphone, you'll need to download HyperX application NGENUITY. In this app, you can set different lighting profiles, you can adjust the gain and the microphone's volume, but you can't do any equalizing. Also, the RGB adjustments are limited to 2 fields on the microphone. So as you can tell from that audio test, this mic provides a much richer sound to my voice without any post-production editing than I get with a lesser expensive mic such as the Snowball by Blue, or just using this microphone with my gaming headset, which is a quality gaming headset, the Astro A50, but you could still tell there's a gigantic leap in the fidelity of my voice quality there. And then we compared it to just this lavalier mic that I'm using right now as well. The only thing that's really missing from this microphone as it is isn't a hardware feature, it's more of a software. There are competing mics in this price range that do have filters, some EQ with them already to help you tweak the sound of your voice, whereas this doesn't have it. In the software package, it does have something that denotes what polar pattern you're on, and it also allows you to tweak the RGB. Unfortunately, the RGB on this is reserved to 2 separate fields. You would think at this price and how cheap RGBs become that they would have options to adjust more RGB fields than just those 2 large areas, but they don't. And if RGB isn't your thing, you can easily find a Quadcast that doesn't have RGB for $10 to $20 less. And while it does look cool, frankly, I think that it might be a little distracting on your microphone. As far as microphones go, at this price, it has all the features that it needs, it sounds great, and you really can't go wrong picking up this mic. I'm Rob, thanks for watching, and remember that if you enjoyed this video or found value from it, make sure to like and subscribe. Also, let me know in the comments below what you'd like to see me cover next. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.